Hi Aquarius, how are you? This is your June last 10 days reading, money and love. So I will pick up 3 cards. It will give random messages regarding your money or love situation. Aquarius, as we know that retrograde times, already there are around 4 planets, maybe more. In retrograde with the Saturn, and there is Venus in retrograde, Jupiter, as well as Mercury just gone on 17th. Yeah, on the 18th it's just gone retrograde. So really go slow during this phase. Do not take any haste or impulsive decision regarding money or a love situation. The picture will be much clearer when you just get over with this retrogrades time. So take baby steps, take steps in a phased manner, and it's really going to help. Now with the cards, let's see what the cards have in store for you. Page of Rods. So with Page of Rods, I see it's a loving energy coming, some love or loved one energy coming to you. It's a very initial energy. It's coming towards you, very starting new love energy coming to you, Aquarius. You are feeling, and you can feel the love of this, like it's either coming in the form of a message, or somebody may be directly approaching you, or be coming from on the social media platform, but there is definitely some new love energy coming to you. Now the next card is the Five of Swords. I mean, there are this is your love situation. Maybe in another situation there is a conflicting, there is a conflict or chaos in a certain, maybe it's your money situation. You are there is conflict, there is chaos, and you are feeling like there is resistance, some kind of resistance from people. Although you have just given up you do not think about those things anymore, but still it's in your mind sometimes. So in your mind you're still feeling restricted, or stuck, and you're not feeling that great sometimes. So this is Five of Swords. Now we will see the card is Six of Rods. So here it shows that maybe this is in your mind. This is sometimes maybe there is in your mind, but I think towards the end of you will come out of these conflicting thoughts or situations that have been in your mind. Also it could be love situation coming slightly moving forward with this, whatever it could be, a small step, or coming towards you closer, and you will feel happy, you will feel a little victorious. Maybe it's a small victory, maybe it's just beginning of the victory, but there is certainly something, maybe this conflicting situation, you will move from that darkness that you have in mind regarding this towards light. It will make you calmer, and this is what I see. Just let me clarify the Six of Rods, the victory card. So clarification for Six of Rods. So it talks about a situation. This is the Sun card. It talks about you want to be happy with someone, I feel. Maybe with this new person. It's basically talking about love, Aquarius here. So it's you want to be happy and victorious in your love situation. So you've started working towards that, or you're going to start towards that. So it's basically that you are excited and you're happy about the things which is just, is there in your mind regarding your love situation. And I feel, you are feeling positive, you are feeling because this conflicting situations also which was there in your mind with Five of Swords, this also slowly going away. With the Sun card coming, you will be relaxed towards your approach, you will be feeling relaxed, you will not be feeling so chaotic later, and you will be feeling excited towards this new love situation. So I will pull up one more card from the bottom of the deck. Ace of Swords. Now this talks about maybe you are cutting away that conflicting thoughts, or maybe the people that you have so you're just cutting away from the life. You're very focused, straight, you know what you need to do now. It's just like just cutting away the ideas and basically the conflict in the mind, and you're moving towards calmness. Also, it's also showing that there is much clarity of thought. Maybe with this love situation also, you're very clear, you know what you want to do, and you are working, you will take action towards it by cutting away the unwanted thing and working towards the things that you want to really focus in, Aquarius. So all these cards basically suggesting that it's good for you. Last 10 days you are better off than what you were in previous, in mid of this June. And I hope you definitely have a small victory here. For some of you, there is a victory card, there is a love message. So overall satisfying Aquarius June for most of you. So please, this is a general reading, please take whatever resonates with you, and that's it. Thank you. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in July readings. Thank you.